turning ourselves into Yennefer, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put in some purple contacts. All right, so the contacts are in, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this more of like a gray, smoky eye. So we're gonna dab in with this white and kind of buff out the beige, just like this. Now with a smaller blending brush, go in with this like gray here and kind of go over anywhere that is brown, and we're just gonna make more of a smoky eye here. And bring it down here as well. Now we're gonna fluff in with a very light purple kind of right here, just to give it a little bit of extra dimension. Now a little bit of black eyeliner. Let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. Very cute. We're gonna fix it up with some concealer. I take a little fluffy brush and I just work it in and bring it out. So for some contour, we're gonna kind of shave in our cheeks. There's just a lot of product here, so I'm nervous. Way too much product. We're gonna shave it. So for contour, we're gonna carve in our cheeks, and we're gonna kind of go straight down the nose, but not anything here. And also like that. And now we'll tone it down with some concealer. Again, using this fluffy brush to kind of give more accuracy to where we want. And just the littlest bit of blush and make it low. Now for the lips, it's going to be Your Lips But Better. So we're using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Love this. And the Pillow Talk lipstick as well. Now I'm just going to fill in the brows a little bit. This is just literally a sample that I got that I love. It's the Oasis Air Brow. I really like it though. It's super easy to use. And the sample has lasted forever. All right, I'm gonna put on the wig and some finishing touches, and I will show you the finished result. And this is the finished result. I got the purple cloak. I got the wig. I think it looks super good. And I love the little outfit that I have. It's like super cute. So you're gonna have to go watch all the videos and see the transitions and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.